Hi guys, so today is going to be an unboxing video. I have, excuse me, a couple of packages here. So this very first one is from Bath and Body Works. So I'm just going to go ahead and open that up. So by the smell of it, I think these are candles. Candles! Yes! Okay, so these are the candles that they come in. And this one is, my stress relief. Oh, you guys know I love this one. My eucalyptus spearmint scented candle stress relief. Oh, I love that one. Thing is, I forgot what I ordered. That's a beat me now. Then this is autumn. Ooh, nice, cute leaf thingy. Oh, it's nice. It's okay. It smells nice. So this is autumn. And last, but definitely not least, this one, which is spiced apple toddy. Oh, is it strong? It smells like big red bubblegum. Spiced apple toddy. Alright, so that's that for that box. I have another Bath and Body Works. Where is it? Yeah, there you go. Bath and Body Works box. More candles. I did not order so much. I thought I ordered soap. Okay, so I ordered more candles. I did not order so much. I thought I ordered soap. Oh my god, these are all the candles. Marshmallow fireside. Oh, I love marshmallow fireside. It's really sweet and nice. Oh wow, I love marshmallow fireside. Okay, so this box is empty. I just had two in there. And this one is Merry Cookie. Oh, I bought this during the Christmas time. I saw Langdon up there. Ooh, yes. It really definitely does smell like a cookie. Merry Cookie. Alright, so let's go to this one. I have two more packages after this. These stuff I bought on eBay. I'll just cut that open. These are the eBay, yeah, these are the eBay stuff. So I bought this brush set specifically for my classes, my one-on-one classes. Oh my baby. Oh, it's supposed to be a set. Okay, there we go. So this is one of the brushes that come with. It's really small. I wasn't expecting it to be this small. Oh, here we go. So these are the face brushes and the eye brushes here. Alright, there we go. And then some face brushes and eye brushes over here. So I bought these specifically for my classes, for my one-on-one classes. Oh yeah, what else? Then I got these two palettes. And these are, remember the palette I used to like do my eyebrow? The light one, the 10 one, right? So that one was a little bit messy, so I just ordered one for me and one for my kit. Okay, so again it has no name. It's just an eBay palette. Ooh, and look, it's all new. I love new makeup. I love new makeup. So it's all new. So I bought two of these, one for my kids and one for myself. This one that I pull is going to be for myself, and this other one is for my kit. Right, then we're going to go to this one. I don't know what this one is. Because I ordered some stuff from BH Cosmetics, but they're not here because the box just said BH, and I ordered some stuff from CameraReadyCosmetics.com. So I don't know which is which. Oh, these are the BH stuff, I think. Yes. BH Cosmetics. See it right there. Okay, so let's see what aside my stuff from Camera Cosmetics and here. Man. Oh, okay, so I got a lot of palettes. I got the BH Hollywood BH Hollywood palette, I believe, so is a sleeve, and this is what it looks like. First time seeing this. You're seeing this with me, you guys. Very nice. Oh, look at these colors over here. This is showing up like a blue, no, a gray. Good. There's a black, some purples, yellows, golds, and oh my gosh, look at that blush color though. Yes, baby. Yes. Wow. Wow, I got a lot of stuff from BH Cosmetics. Hold on. Got a lot of stuff. Then I got the BH Party Girl After Hours palette. I think I have the BH Girl Party palette, but my Party palette, it just looks kind of, no, this is After Hours, so I believe this is a different one. And I got this one just because of how my other one stays. It's really tattered. And let's just see what it looks like together. You seeing? This is so beautiful. Oh, this is pretty. It's a mixture of mattes and diamond colors. It says diamond shades. These 4 here are diamond shades. These 1, 2, 3, 4. How pretty. Oh man, I can't wait to do my makeup. Oh, I can't wait to do my makeup, bubble. Oh, and then I got Eyes on the 70s palette. Yo, I am just like a kid in a candy store. Well, I guess that's how all girls get when they get something that they really like. Because for some girls, it's shoes, it's hair, it's clothes, it's bags. For me, it's makeup. So let's just look at this together. Ta-da-da! Oh, how pretty. Oh, and again, the whole, wait, this now come off. Oh, it flips. This film flips over, and then it has like this thingy here. You can like see some shadows here, and you can see some shadows here and here and here. So it has, whoo, it has this film here to keep it protected. This is nice. Oh, it's perforated, so I can tear it off, but I wouldn't want to do that. Look at how pretty. Look at how pretty. Oh my lord. This is gorgeous. Gorgeous. Listen. BH Cosmetics doing the damn thing, alright? And this is just the regular 26 color eye neutral palette. I don't know why I got a neutral palette. To be honest with you. I don't know why I got a neutral palette. I guess because it was cheap. And because all my neutral palettes I have, I don't have them anymore. So let's just open this together. Oh, it's the one with the blush. That's why I got it. It's the one with the blush. Oh, this one over here, I can tell it's going to be like my fave. Isn't this just pretty? Oh, there's so much makeup. And did I order 2? Neutral eyes 20. Oh, okay, no. Oh, this is a neutral eyes eyeshadow and blush. This is just the neutral eyes 28. Oh, okay. Okay. That's just it looks like. Oh, it's just cute. I had one of these and I gave it away. This is cute. Very nice. Oh my gosh. Listen, I love like new makeup. I don't know, it may just be me. See me smiling. Okay, this is a 20 smoky eye 28 color eyeshadow palette, and they're listen, their packaging, BH Cosmetics packaging is just I like, they're about that life, and I love that they're about that life. So that's it looks like. Pretty. Oh, this red though. This red though. What? Yes. Bobo. Hunty. And the last thing, I only bought one, is a BH liquid eyeliner. That's weird, I only got one. I thought I got two. Anyway, so this is it. It's just like a pen that you draw on for your liner. And then last but not least, I got some sort from Too Faced Cosmetics, and y'all know what this is, baby. Yes, yes. You know, honey, you know what this is here, baby. What's it? This box. Whew. So this one is special, so I have to just go ahead and show you how it comes. It says Too Faced on the top there, and it has some little pink wormies. Let's see what's under the pink wormies. Before I show what's under the pink wormies, let me show you my two samples. So I got a sample of the Too Faced Shadow Insurance, just like an eye primer, and this lip gloss called Sex Pot. It's really tiny. So I got that, and let me just show you what I got from Too Faced, which is the last thing that I'll be unboxing. Everything else is done. So your girl picked up not one, but bam, two. I've got the Too Faced Chocolate Bar Palette and the Too Faced Semi-Sweet Chocolate Bar Palette, and I am smiling from ear to ear. Okay, so let's just pull this together. Oh, anything in there? No, I'm gonna dash the box. And then how to glamour guide, I guess, so I can do different eye makeup, whatever. I don't need this though. Actually, it smells like chocolate. No? Oh yeah, it smells like chocolate for you. Oh, so these are the colors. These are the colors. They're just so... I'm just so happy that I finally have it. And as everybody say, the names are written on this little plastic thingy. Wait, let me just have it in my hand a while ago. Hold on. This, but for the semi-sweet, it's written on the package itself. You see how it's fitting because the fan not on or nothing. Okay, so that's that. And then last, but definitely by no means least, we have this Too Faced Semi-Sweet Chocolate Bar. Oh my god, and look how pretty. Oh, look how pretty. Okay, so hold on, let me just hold both of them up side by side. So these are the two of them here. So nice. I just can't believe I own both. Oh, it's magnetic. It's a magnetic closure. I just can't believe I own both. So many palettes. Thank you so much, you guys, for staying by for this huge makeup haul. If it's more palettes, I guess I'm going to put this as huge palette haul, and the junk that's right here I know it's like cannot manage. But yeah, I got some stuff from BH Bath and Body Works, eBay, Too Faced. Yeah, I'm done. These are all my palettes, my new babies. Yes, can't wait to do some looks. So that's it basically, you guys. Thank you so much for watching and staying through to the end if you made it through to the end. And I do have a makeup tutorial on this look, and as I say, it will be here soon, I guess. I don't know, but I'll talk to you guys in the next video. Bye.